Hello guys, in this video I just want to talk to you regarding why I sought to create a course on Udemy for business segment. Basically I'm aiming at that. Let me see if it gets selected ultimately for the UFB, which is a prime content creator's dream actually, I would say. And the topic is for the JavaScript best practice. Now, as I have sent you a community post I have published this afternoon, telling that I will be publishing two videos every week on every Tuesdays and Thursday till the early next month, as the second chapter, which I have selected for the previewing, which is about the setting up of JavaScript and as a development environment on Visual Studio Code with customization and creating the Node and JavaScript development environment with all the extensions and custom binding. So I hope you like it and keep on viewing, and I will put the playlist for this series of videos, JavaScript playlist, in the bottom description below. Now, the need to create this course was felt due to a few factors, keeping in mind the industry demand and the growing use of JavaScript. So, JavaScript is a fundamental technology, as we all know, for web development, used widely in both front-end and back-end development, and for continuous learning. What could be a better programming language than JavaScript, which has found its usage, and it has not pale in its glory as a front-end and now also as a back-end development platform. And architects, QA professionals, and of course developers are constantly seeking ways to improve their skills and stay current with the best practices in JavaScript. And for a best practices course, it is just not merely a course or a tutorial on JavaScript coding, but it is a course on best practice, which means more than a course on merely programming skills or enhancing programming skills in JavaScript. It is to also focus on enhancing the code quality, and by creating consistency and maintainability, and for performance optimization, teaching the best practices ensures that code is not only functional but also optimized for use, for scalability and performance. And it, by focusing on the relevant aspects of JavaScript best practices, so we can enhance the collaboration and team efficiency by creating unified standards. Best practices provide a common framework for teams to follow, enhancing collaboration and reducing the friction in code reviews and integration. And it reduces the technical debt as well. By adhering to best practices, teams can avoid common pitfalls and that lead to technical debt and cost escalation. So it also helps in professional growth and career advancement. Now, skill enhancement that goes through offering a course on best practices helps professionals upgrade their skills. I mean, it is not only honing their existing JavaScript skills, but focusing in a manner that they adhere to not only the development part or the testing of the JavaScript, but in a way that encourages good practices or best practices in the industry. And it makes them more valuable, and the career pathways are always open in JavaScript. For QA professional and architects, understanding development's best practices is crucial for their roles in ensuring quality and designing a robust system. So by creating a course on JavaScript best practice, I thought that I can address these needs and opportunities. And so I hope you will be able to like the preview videos from these courses over the next 1 month or so. And if you really love the way I teach and my presentation and would seek this course whenever it is published, do put your comments in any of the videos and get back to me so that I can prioritize you with a promotional and most discounted course link. Thank you very much. Publishing 2 videos every week on every Tuesdays and Thursday till the early next month, as the second chapter, which I have selected for the previewing, which is about the setting up of JavaScript and as a development environment on Visual Studio Code with customization and creating the Node and JavaScript development environment with all the extensions and custom binding. So I hope you like it and keep on viewing, and I will put the playlist for this series of videos, JavaScript playlist, in the bottom description below.